Introducing the 2026 Volkswagen TAYRON RL75 1.5EHYB DSG, a powerful and stylish SUV packed with cutting-edge features. With 204 horsepower, PHEV fuel type and automatic transmission, this vehicle offers a smooth and efficient driving experience. The luxurious interior includes ambient lighting, Bluetooth phone connectivity, satellite navigation, and more. Plus, the advanced safety features such as 360 view camera, collision avoidance braking, and lane departure warning ensure peace of mind on the road. With a sleek grey exterior, chrome accents, and privacy glass, the TAYRON RL75 stands out from the crowd. Rest assured knowing that this vehicle has undergone a full multi-point health and safety check and comes with a comprehensive warranty. Call us or visit blackwatermotors.ie for more information. Drive in style and confidence with the Volkswagen TAYRON RL75.